Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Today, we are going to tackle about soil. There are three different types of soil. We have loam, sandy, and clay soil. But first, we have to know what soil. Soil it is a very important natural resource on Earth made of tiny particles of rocks and decay of plants and animals. Soil it is a home of plants, animals, and humans. The first type of soil is loam soil. Loam soil it contains large amount of decaying plants and animals. This soil is fertile, easy to work with, and provide good drainage. Depending on its predominant composition, it can be either sandy or clay loam. The second type of soil is the sandy soil. Its particles are coarser than clay and loam. It is loose and easy to drink, but it connects cold water and nutrients well. Water easily passes through the soil.
The third one is the clay soil. This type of soil is made up of very fine particles of rocks, and its particles are packed together tightly. It holds much water and becomes sticky when wet. Clay soils remain wet and cold in winter and dry out in summer. This soil can be used in making pots.
We can use loam soil in gardening, indoor plants, in crops, and grass, growing veggies and fruits, ornamental plants, home landscape, home gardens. And did you know that desert has the most sandy soil? Clay soil has many uses, including construction, pottery, and other items. Clay soil used to make toys, statues, and coffee cups.
If you really understand the lesson, let's have an activity. So please click the link below.
Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.